So if you have an online e-commerce business or just a guy who want to sell your products faster but aren't getting any potential buyers, and if you're wondering how to improve your product sales or Amazon, Shopify, or different e-commerce platforms, so I introduce you guys about a tool, Jog AI, that will help you create amazing product videos of your product listed on Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, or any other ad platform. So Jog AI is basically going to create amazing product videos of your product with amazing cool animations, from scripting to creating scenes to even creating AI avatar for your product videos as well. So yeah, this AI tool could really help you boost your sales for e-commerce business or for your products listed online. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of Jog AI, and right off the bat on the home screen you guys can see it's showcasing create engaging videos with AI in minutes. So now with the help of this AI tool, you can easily go ahead and create videos of your product that could be listed on like Amazon or any other marketplace very easily. Like it will be all AI generated, from the visuals, from scripting, AI avatars, everything. This AI tool is going to do it for you. Like that's literally crazy, right? So first of all, we'll start using it. You're going to go ahead and sign in with your Gmail account. And after that, it's going to ask a few questions. So I'm just going to go ahead and do whatever in that just to get started really quickly. All right, so after it's done, so for the new users, it's going to give you 3 credits, which will be more than enough to test out this AI tool. So you can go ahead and create one video, like one product video out of that. So if you're wondering about the pricing of this AI tool, you can go ahead and start for monthly, like which will be $19 per month. And for that, let's just say if you are into e-commerce or if you are into your online business, so I think that would be a pretty good deal for you, because in $19, you'll be able to create 10 videos for a month, which means you'll be able to post your product videos, like 10 product videos for a month. And that will be quite valuable, like pretty much for your e-commerce business, okay? So right off the bat in the homepage, it says URL to video ad makers. So from here, it basically supports Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, Shein, and basically all of the other ad platforms. So for testing, I'm going to go ahead and take this product which is listed on Amazon. So this is from L'Oreal Paris. So I'm just doing it for, testing phase, just to see the capability of this Jog AI. So this is basically a True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer. So yeah, we have all the images listed right over here. So that will be quite easy for us to go ahead and upload it in Jog AI. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link of this, like URL. Come to Jog AI and simply paste it right over here. And after that, you need to click on Analyze the URL, okay? All right, so it's going to take around only a few seconds to analyze all of your URL. And after that, it's going to basically take the media, like every media that was there in the ad, is going to upload that into its media file straight away. Like you don't have to even do it manually. That's literally crazy, right? So we have all the media that was there in the ad right over here. So that it will be using as visuals into their video ad. So that is really cool. So after that, I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and also from the Amazon ad URL, it has basically taken the product name as well as the product description itself. So wow, like this is a complete automation. This AI tool is doing everything by its own. So it's a complete automation of the new ads right now. You can go ahead and create video ads very beautifully. You'll be able to see that further in this video. Okay, so once everything is analyzed and uploaded, you need to go ahead and click on next. So then it will jump you to the video settings, so where we can select aspect ratio, video length. So since I want to go ahead and create like, standing vertical videos, I'm going to select 9:16. Video length, we're going to go ahead and take 30 seconds. You can also create 60 seconds, but for that, you obviously have to upgrade your current plan, okay? So then the target audience, let's just say I'm going to go ahead and just write over here that, makeup enthusiast, okay? So this product would be for my makeup enthusiast audience, and then click on next. Okay, so now AI is basically generating the script for you as well. Like, wow, everything is done with the help of AI. So now Jog AI is basically gonna give you few of the script templates with the types as well. So now we have AI script in 4 different formats. So you can go ahead and do discovery, which is basically gonna start from ever struggle to achieve that perfect natural glow. So this is a very good intro. Then we have don't worry, then we have story time, and then light marketing, right? So I think I'm pretty much liking the don't worry script. I'm going to click on that. And you can obviously also edit that if you want to go ahead and do some changes, into the script. But I'm going to go ahead and keep that as it is. Simply, we're going to jump to the next step. I'm going to click on next. Okay, then it's basically making the template for us so that we can go ahead and choose from, okay? All right, so from here, our raw video is kind of done. So you can go ahead and preview like how it's going to look like. So let's just go ahead and play the raw video first, just to get an idea like how it will, seem to our audience.
Struggling with dull, dry skin that lacks radiance and hydration? Meet L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion, your glow-enhancing solution. Infused with
All right, I think that's looking pretty good for the first view. The transitions are really good, but obviously the sound effects and there's no AI avatar. There's something missing. So we can obviously go ahead and edit that according to our liking. So first of all, we have the template section in which you can go ahead and select any template you want from here. So I think I'm very much liking this AI avatar one, in which we get fisheye down here, and in the background the video is playing. So I'm going to choose this avatar bubble one. Then we can jump to our next step, which is avatar. Okay, so from here, either you can create your own avatar, which obviously we have done a lot in previous videos. So I'm not going to jump into that detail. But yeah, from here, you can choose from Jog AI library and you can choose any avatar you like. So since this is a beauty product, so I'm going to create some AI avatar according to that. So I think this Maria Art Restaurant is looking really good. So I'm going to select that. All right, so once our AI avatar is selected as well, so now we can jump to our last step, which will be music. So obviously a good music could be a really good engaging for our audience. So we can select that. So I'm going to choose any music of my liking from this AI library, or you can obviously upload your own as well. So let's just say, okay, so this Dress to Groove seems quite beautiful according to what kind of script we created. So I'm going to select this one, and now everything is done. And from here, we can go ahead and simply click on render. But let's just say if you are previewing your video from here and you're not liking some of the scenes, you want to edit that. So it basically gives you two options. Either you can quick edit that. So in quick edit, it will give you very less options for some people who are not good in editing. So you can go ahead and quickly change the scenes. You can change the layout you like, and you can replace the media from anything you want. Or let's just say if you are very much a pro in the editing, so obviously you can go ahead and select the pro edit as well, which will be basically quite complex and quite in detail for some of the editors out there. Okay. All right, so after everything is done, you simply need to click on render. So it's going to start the rendering for you, and it's going to only take around 2 to 3 minutes for the video to be ready. All right. All right, so our video is done. So this is how our product video looks like.
Struggling with dull, dehydrated skin that lacks radiance? L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion is your solution. Infused with glycerin and shea butter for instant hydration. Lightweight formula delivers an illuminating color tint. Achieve a healthy, sun-kissed glow without the sun. Available in multiple shades for all skin tones. Use alone or under foundation for a radiant finish. Get your natural glow enhancer today, because you're worth it.
So there you go, guys. This was the amazing exploration of how you can go ahead and create product videos very easily with the help of AI. You can go ahead and do like scripting, AI avatar, like your product media, everything in the single AI tool. Obviously, there was like a watermark in the video, but for that, obviously, you need to go ahead and upgrade to the monthly version, at least like $19 per month if you want to go ahead and use that regularly for your products. But yeah, it was an amazing overview of the product videos in the AI world. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.